Traditional supply chains are one-way streets. Raw materials go in one end, waste comes out the other. But in a circular economy, supply chains don't end. They loop. Welcome to circular supply chains, where products, parts, and materials circulate continuously. Let's break it down. A linear supply chain looks like this: extract to manufacture to distribute to consume to dispose. A circular supply chain changes that too. Extract less, design smart, use longer, recover, remanufacture, reuse. The goal is to keep resources in the system at their highest value. Let's walk through the key features. 1. Design for circularity. It starts upstream. Products are designed to be repaired, upgraded, and recycled. Materials are non-toxic, modular, and traceable. 2. Reverse logistics. Circular chains don't just move goods forward, they bring them back. Think take-back programs, returnable packaging, refill systems. 3. Supplier collaboration. Circularity requires partnerships with recyclers, refurbishers, material banks, and logistics platforms. It's about ecosystems, not silos. 4. Transparency and tracking. You can't manage what you can't see. Circular chains use digital twins, QR codes, and blockchain to track material flow. 5. Localized loops. Shorter supply chains mean fewer emissions, faster recovery, and regional resilience. Think circular districts, urban mining, and local reuse hubs. Let's look at real-world examples. Philips designed a medical imaging system with components that can be swapped, upgraded, and reused, creating circular loops within its supply network. Unilever is partnering with refill stations and return logistics to close the loop on packaging. Renault recovers parts from old cars, refurbishes them, and resells them, backed by warranty. Even IKEA is building reverse logistics into its furniture model, taking back and reselling used items. Why does this matter? Because 45% of global emissions come from making and moving products. If we want to hit net zero, we can't just clean up energy. We have to clean up materials, and that means rethinking how they flow. Circular supply chains reduce raw material demand, production emissions, and waste. They increase efficiency, resilience, and customer engagement. But it's not easy. Circular chains are more complex. They need new systems, skills, and incentives. They require shared platforms, shared data, and shared goals. And they work best when circularity is baked into every link, from sourcing to end of life. Here's the takeaway. You don't need a new planet. You just need a new plan for materials. Circular supply chains aren't just about sustainability. They're about strategy. They turn waste into input, users into collaborators, and products into platforms. This is how we shift from supply chains to supply cycles.